What role do partnerships play? I know you've got quite a broad client base, haven't you? How do you see the kind of role between startups and the corporates, Anna's dealing with? Do you have any experiences to share from that? Is that the way to educate and perhaps change the mindset that we have, cool startups going into these corporations? And
it's like everything. For example, we partnered up with global manufacturing called Steel Risk, and by doing that and scaling with them globally and have them as a reference, that means other companies will trust us. So without that, it's hard to be a startup and say like, hey, implement us. We have ISO, so we're fine.
So added credibility.
Yeah.
Goes back to that trusting.
Yeah, and also to build, we talk about the building part, to build if we go back to what we talked about earlier, to build only things that create values for the customers, you need to be really, really close to them. And most of the startups, they want to go more to at least mid-size, bigger companies, because then you get bigger contracts, and then you need to be basically sit within their office and see how are they using it, what do they need to be able to build AI products that will create value. Because it's a huge difference to just implement AI and actually be very niched and customize the AI for the use case.